Today we'll be looking on how to run Facebook ad, WhatsApp ad, and Instagram ad. For you to run a Facebook ad successful, you must have a Facebook page. Before you start anything on Facebook ad, you must have a poster. So let me go to Photoshop so you see it. This is the picture that we want to use as an example. So if I go to image and image size, you see this is inches. It is 3 by 3. I'll go to pixel. So if your designer is designing, if he's using pixel, it should design 900 by 900. It's good you put your resolution in 300 so your image will be sharp. 900 by 900. So this is the image. Rule number one, Facebook does not approve ad with much write-up. So if you are writing, you put less write-up. Like now you see book a ride, track your destination. We didn't write what this whole thing is all about, but on the ad we're going to write what they are going to benefit. So now let's jump into Facebook. Now I'm on my Facebook. Rule number two, you must have a system to run a professional ad. You can use a phone to run a professional ad. How do I go to my ad manager? Once you scroll, you will see more. You click your more, you'll see ad manager. Click it. Alright, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get it on. Thank you. Click it to go to ad manager. This is how your ad manager would look like. And for you to start a ad, the first thing you need to do, you need to fund your account. This is account overview. This is your campaign. This is ad report. This is your audience, your bill and payments, ad account settings. So today we will be looking at, we want to add payment. So you click the payments, showing that my prepaid balance is 0 naira. So on the ad account, if I click payment setting, if you are in Nigeria, Facebook does not accept Nigeria Master or Visa credit card. Facebook only accepts dollar account or dollar prepaid. So how can you fund your account? You click add fund. Facebook will ask you debit or credit card. Please, if you reside in Nigeria, don't click this. If it's a Nigeria credit card or debit card, it's going to accept it, but it will not be able to fund the system if it is not a dollar account. So it must be a Nigeria dollar account or a Nigeria dollar prepaid account. So since you don't have it, but you have a Naira account and you want to run an ad, yes, you can run an ad. I can correct the amount here. What I want to put, I will say I want to run 1,500. I'm going to come Naira payment with MasterCard. So you can literally run a Naira payment with MasterCard. So you come pay you click it and click next. So it's going to ask you add funds with Naira payment with MasterCard or by Visa. These are the cards that this system recognizes. So you say open. So next, continue. So it will show you an interface like this. This is a third party and trust me, it's secure. And one thing I will advise you, so currently now it's asking I have to insert my card number, my card name, my bank, MMM, which is the expiring date and the year of expiring, date. So this is the month and the year. CW number. Number is the number behind your credit card. When you turn your credit card, you see a number. P15. So it will ask you, do you have a token or you want to use an OTP? You always use an OTP. OTP means a one-time password will be sent to the number that you are receiving alert from this particular credit card. So they've sent a code to me, and the code, you will never share it with anyone, and it expires. So I'm going to enter the digit of the code. Five. You now click submit. Successful. Let's continue. Continue will redirect you to Facebook in your prepaid phone. So currently, you see I have 1,500 on my prepaid phone. I have found it and I can now run the ad. Next, if you funded your account successfully, there is something that you literally need to know. Under here, you are going to see business information. What are these business information? You click edit. Business information is your tax information. If you are filling it for the first time, you put Nigeria, which is your region. If your currency, you're going to put Nigeria, the time, Africa, Lagos. Then the business name. What is your business name? So you can literally enter your business name, and you must have a registered business name. This is your tax. So now they will ask for your address, city or town, state, Asaba postcode. So if you want to get a postcode wherever you are in Nigeria, you don't put Nigeria postcode. Every state have their postcode. You just go to Google, say postcode of Asaba. Anywhere you are, you understand? So this is it. Asaba have multiple postcode, but for me, this is the one I always use, 320104. So next, if you are registered for VAT, provide your VAT ID. VAT ID will show up on your receipt in event that you are entitled to recover VAT. This may help you recover any VAT you paid to the Nigeria Tax Authority. Now, this is very important, your business name. For me, I have my VAT already. And for you to successfully advertise, you will need Federal Inland Revenue Service tax code of your business. And for you to have this tax code, I believe you've been seeing FERC for a very long time. Every state have this office in their capital. That is where you can get it, and they can give you your tax code under 2 to 3 days. It will be available of something like this. So you will insert it here. So once you insert it, then you click save. So the next thing you are going to do, you want to run an ad, you have to go to your campaign. Now you want to campaign. So when you want to set a new campaign, you see create. You click create. So it will ask you, what type of action do you need? Do you need awareness? Or what is awareness campaign? Awareness campaign shows your ad to people who are mostly likely to remember them. Good for reach, brand awareness, video view, store location awareness. So then you have traffic. What does traffic do? Traffic sends people to a destination like your app, like website, app, or Facebook event. So if you are doing a traffic is literally for website and app. App, like you have an app, maybe your app people can buy. This is what traffic does to you. And now we're going to come to lead. Lead collects lead from your business or brand. It's good for instant form, messenger, and Instagram for conversation. Lead is like you are leading the people. You are doing an advert that will lead people to your message. They can send message to you. Then we have app promotion. This one, you understand, find new people to install your app. This particular advert is to find new people who have not installed your app. Maybe you have a particular app, and you are launching your app. So you must choose your campaign object wisely. Lastly, you have the sales. Sales is when you sell things on your page. If you know your page, you are selling cars, property, clothes. Find people likely to purchase your products. And it's good for conversation, catalog sales, messenger, Instagram. And this advert, the sweetest thing is that it's not just going to appear on your Facebook page. It will appear on your messenger, it will appear on Instagram, it will appear on WhatsApp. Engagement is good for video. It's for video view. So when you have a video and you want people to view and like and react to your ad engagement, that is what engagement does. It's strictly for video. We looked at awareness, so I'll click awareness. I'll say continue. Change the campaign name. Good awareness. You can give any name you want to give it. It literally does not matter, because here's your campaign details. Tells you next thing you scroll down. Please use advantage campaign budget is on. So this is the campaign budget. Campaign budget is it's asking you daily or you want lifetime budget. I think daily is better. Daily you are telling the ad how much is going to use. So if you are spending, you can use per day is 3,000. Trust me, the minimum you can use per day is 3,000. So once you put your price and you want to spend 3,000 per day, you click next. So check it out. If what you did is wrong, like you can see the first time we put 1, 2, 1, 5, 2,000, it was showing increase your budget. Now check it out. Your audience selected is fair broad, meaning that good. Estimated audience per day. Check it out. If you are spending 3,000 per day, you are capable of reaching 42 million person. 42,300,000 person / 49,800,000 person per day. Check it out. Now next, what do? You select your page. Which page are you working? So if you have more than one page, let me say I have more than one page. I click here, I will see all my page. These are all my page. So I'm going to say Design Africa. So if you show me, I'll say yes, this is the one I want the ad to be. So once you select this, we on this before and you can see on it. So now it's asking you budget and schedule. When do you want this ad to run? Currently, I'm running this, I'm testing this ad on May 21st. So if you want to change it, your time, you can program the time you want this ad. Just click it. It will show you. Now, I want this ad to run on the 23. Time to start running at 9 a.m. and that means I want to run this ad for some couple of days. So I'll say okay. Remember I picked 23, so I can say it on the 30th. On the 30th time, all right. So right now we are running this ad on my Facebook page. I have fixed the ad we schedule to run on the 23rd of May and end on May 30th. Okay, then I will now scroll down. Audience, location, Nigeria, advanced audience. So now you will have to add your audience. So to add audience, you click here where you want your ad to run. These are like, it's asking you existence. Your ad will run from 18 to the ages that we see your ad is 18 to 65 years. You can literally increase it if you want 80 years people to see it, but I think 65 is more. All these 17 years is literally not made for your ad, but you can increase the age. And secondly, it's talking about gender. Remember, for you to do it, advantage of audience. Then second, placement of your ad. Your budget will be located meta delivering where you want your ad to be. Now my ad is running in Nigeria, location. So I'm going to click edit. Now I want to include location. My ad is running in Nigeria. But where do you want this ad? You can include. Your ad can run in other place. You understand? Rich people in Nigeria. So if I click here, this is where you add your location. So if we leave the ad will run in all these places. But you can say only include cities. It will include city. Exclude cities. It will exclude city, but include all. Are you seeing it? So this is called Ad Manager. This is how you can program your ad and pin your ad. Then the sweetest thing is this. You say include. So right now I want my ad to run in a specific location. So I'm going to type, say search Asaba. So now when I click Asaba, it will show me different places in Asaba. I want Asaba Delta State, which is the city. Asaba Delta State. I will click Asaba Delta State. because I have picked a particular place. You're saying it is now 1,300 persons to 1,500 persons. That is what this advert can reach. So I can still pick more. I don't pick this, so I will say search again. I can pick area. I'll say Asaba. So you can see it has shown me Okpanam Road. So I'm going to click Okpanam Road. If these two things will clash, it will show you location overlap. So it is better in a city you pick this region, the particular street and area you want in the city, then you can delete the city and let it be in the particular area you want in the city. It is better that way. I want my ad to show in some specific area. I'm going to click this, cancel. ABC Road. Are you seeing it? I want this ad to show in ABC Road. So anybody in ABC Road. Are you seeing it now? So Okpanam Road, ABC Road. Now say Government House, Asaba, Delta State Government House, Asaba. You can see it has increased. So I am programming where I want my ad to show. Summit Road, you can see it. So I want this ad to show anybody in Asaba Mall. Anybody in Asaba Mall should see this my ad. So with 3,000, my ad can reach 328,900 persons per day. I'm pinning the ad in this area. And the sweetest thing is that I can still take any other state I want this ad to show. So I have picked all the place I want my ad to run. So I'm going to say next. Your ad needs an image. So you select a media. So it asks you, do you want single image or video or casual? Casual is when you have different products, different image, single image or video. You want just a single image. Then casual is when you have two or more, which is screwable. So we'll go for the single. So you come here where they say select. So I'm going to say, is it a video that you want to do, or you want Facebook to create a video for you? So I'll say image. So it's going to go through all my page, whatever I have posted. You can see all these size is not allowed. So what are you going to do? You upload. So you click upload. We are using click, and I'm just going to click upload. So this is my image, and I'll say continue. So it's going to verify my image. So add name. Come here. Can see good. If you have a URL, it helps your site. If you have a link, display link where you want your, then I ask you call to action. How do you want people to go to your call to action, contact you? Call to action is, this is awareness. If you have a website, I can say, okay, if you have a website, it will make your site go very, very fine. Your ad can show on your site and can still lead people to your site. Let me just say Emiko. Say www. So I have an option. If you click, it will take you to Emiko, which is learn more. Are you seeing it now? So the action button is learn more. book now, contact us. If you want your customer to call you, you can put contact us. If it is download, so if I say contact us, it will take people to Emiko contact us page. You see, that's why it's good for you to have a website. But if you don't have a website, maybe you want people to message you by this. If you don't have a website, you have to remove this website. If you don't have a website, your ad can still run. But if you have a website, I think learn more is better. Apply now. You understand? But since what I'm doing is taxi, I'll say book now. So when you say book now, if I click it, it will take me to the site. Learn more. This site, there's shop. It's a shopping site. So I'm going to say this is your call to action button, whatever you want to put. Listing now, news. I'll say learn more about Emiko. So once you click it, it will take you to Emiko. So the ad will appear on the Facebook page. Okay, it is an awareness that will lead people. So where is it going to lead you to? Where will this ad show under the Facebook system? So let's go back. There is something I want to show you. We'll go to placement, ad placement. When you go to ad placement, you click manual. You understand? So I click it and placement. You say manual. When you come to your manual, it's going to show you where this ad that you want to do will be showing on Facebook field, story, and reel. One advert will show on Facebook field, will show on story and reel. We also show on your Instagram ad for video and reel. If somebody do video and do reel, this advert will also show there. Then search, it will be easily to see when somebody type your business name. Because of you are running, get visibility for your business as people search. Then now, this advert will also show on app and sites. App and sites will also show on app and site where Facebook is going to show, but it's not going to show on Messenger. Once you're done with this, you move to here next. So this is called social media marketing. So once you are through, then the next thing is that, so now you come to your primary text. What is your primary text? I will say shop primary text will show on top. This is, you understand, shop with Emiko. You understand? So you see, this is, remember, now with our primary, we start writing on our primary. This is a website. Let me say you don't have a website. If you don't have a website and you want people to see this advert and message you, so you click message. So when you click message, to ask you, is it via WhatsApp? You want to reach people with, you are advertising, but people should chat you via WhatsApp. So this is the contact. You can edit your contact. If you want to edit the contact, this is where you can edit it. But make sure that it must be a business WhatsApp, not a single WhatsApp. But if you want it to be on Messenger, click here. That they can just send you message, you respond to them, then you click here. And if you want to change the headline, now you come here, which is the headline. Instead of shouting message, say seen it. Then you can edit your text. Now you want to create a conversation. Facebook have already created a conversation, but this conversation is unprofessional. So what you do, instead of is showing you example, my name is Ambassador Jerry, but anybody that click it, automatically the person username will appear. Please let us know how we can help you. It's very unprofessional. So you click test. So I'm just going to do some simple thing, whatever you want to put on your business. So you can see it. So I'll just say, so Facebook will now ask you, you can include a phone number. While you are sending chats to them, you can just put your country code, just type Nigeria. Number will be included. The next, another question again. This question mark, you will always leave it. You can also answer them. So I will say track. So you can add the response, but don't add the response because the person is chatting with you. Come here. But the reason why a lot of people run ad and they don't change this, and if you don't change it, it will become unprofessional for you. So simple. So once I'm done, you've put all your write-up that you want. You can say save. So automatically, when someone send message, this message will display to them, and Facebook will help you to send message. Then currently we are seeing an error. It's because of you don't have a website. Since you don't have a website, your adverts will only beat on your page, and you can lead people to your message, you can lead people to WhatsApp. So right now we'll go back. We'll go to back and correct some technical error because you don't have a website. So we'll come back. Remember, we click dynamic, but because of we are sending, you have to deactivate this dynamic. You see it will affect. Let's continue, because that is why we are seeing this. You can see that there is no red anymore, meaning that your ad is good to go. And we can see check our audience placements since we've changed. Now we'll now go manually to know where our site will be. It's on Instagram. Now click messenger. Because of we've changed it. If you remember now, we've changed it. Instagram reel is. So then it's going to verify all edited, save. Messenger has been clicked. Instagram. That is why if you want to do adverts, it's good you have a website. If you don't have a website, your reach will be poor. But if you have a website, your advert will show on everywhere from this Facebook and still lead people to your site, which will make your ad go very far. But since you don't have an advert, a website, you have to put it on Messenger order. So let's see where and where this ad will show. Facebook field, Instagram field. This is how it will appear. Let's allow it to load. It will show on Facebook videos. It will exploit on Instagram. Anybody that is exploring, maybe you are searching, you are going to see it. Let's see. Marketplace, Instagram field. So add on Facebook Reel. It will appear on Reel like this. While on profile field, this is how it will look like. So Instagram search, stream video, this is how it will look like. So this is how your ad will look. Then lastly, what do we do next? You have to link your page. You have to link your page. So your Instagram page, this is Facebook page, Instagram account, connect account. So when you say Instagram, to search, select Instagram, I would say design, you say connect, save information. So I've connected to the Instagram account. So once you're done, just click publish and it will publish. So this is how you can run your digital marketing. Next video we'll be talking about casual ad and how to link each image professionally. You can use multiple images, but when you click it, it takes you to different content price. Alright, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get it on. Thank you.